November 7th, 2009. 42 degrees out. This is the 2002 Stratus. Bought this car back in 2003. Only had 500 miles on it. Had a little accident on the right back side of the taillight, which was replaced. Over time, after it had been resprayed, the paint was chipping away. Now up to 2008, just got that redone because it just got into another accident, including this side, which was all damaged because it had a side collision. So before the headlights rather, were all fogged up. They are now brand new. I replaced the left one. Insurance company did the right. Car runs good. I can sure remember it when it had 500 miles on it, which was a long time ago. Now it has a little more than that. We're talking about a 2.7 liter 24 valve EFI engine here, electronically fuel injected. It only has 143,160 miles on it. No big deal. And it runs very smooth. Very smooth. Those wheels. Well, despite the specs on the hood, because that hasn't been resprayed yet, eventually it will. Put the camera down. It runs nice, and it's a highway car, so it has a K&M filter on it. I put the box back on, so now we have, there's the filter. It's kind of showing because, you can still get a little whomping sound out of it if it's slightly cracked right here. If I put it all the way back in, it won't really whump too much, but no, if it's cracked open a little bit, it whumps a little more. Yeah, a little whump. This car has been everywhere. It's been from Florida up to north and back 3 times. It's been, through the deadliest winters on the highways. All the times I had this car, only slid out 3 times on a highway. Yet it would always get its way back. Now, hold on. As you see, there's some scratches on it, here and there. There's the exhaust tip. And the old crap Canalero, which is having a lot of issues. Anyway. Nice and smooth paint. I can't believe it, Thing's still living. Proud. And it's only running on SA 10 weight 30 regular Pennzoil. No synthetic.